Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to add and manage customers. First, click on General. Then go to Customers. You are now in the overview of your customers. To create a new one, click on plus Add Customer. A new window will open where you can enter the information of the new customer. Start by entering the name into the respective text field. You can assign your new customer to an already existing customer. Use the corresponding drop-down menu. If the new customer is a person instead of a company, set the corresponding check mark. By selecting this option, you are able to enter information regarding the person in addition. Then, you can give the new customer a user ID by using the respective text field. To assign a price level, use the corresponding drop-down menu. If you like to assign an invoice currency, then use the corresponding drop-down menu. To then select a customer who is in charge of paying the invoices, use the corresponding drop-down menu. If you want to allow a credit, set the check mark for authorizing it. You then can define the credit limit by using the corresponding field. Important, this feature is not available at the moment. Please proceed with the next steps. By setting the check mark for customer account authorized, this customer will be able to receive a credit limit assigned to his account. You can assign a search key to a customer to make searching for the customer easier. To do so, use the corresponding text field. To select the customer's language, use the corresponding drop-down menu. Does the customer obtain a card? Enter the card ID in the respective text field. To then set the card ID active, set the corresponding check mark. Since this customer is set as person, you are able to add additional information. Do so by using the respective fields and drop-down menu. At Contact Details, you can add a description, email address, and website of the customer. Simply use the respective text fields to do so. To add the customer's phone number, click on plus Add Telephone Number. Then enter the name and number into the respective fields. Adding the name is optional here. Once the information about the customer has been entered, you can continue by adding the address. To do so, click on Address. You now have the option to enter the billing, home, and postal address of the customer. Use the corresponding fields to enter the additional information. Once you set up the new customer, click on Save to apply the changes. Back in the overview, you can manage customers by using the Edit icon. To delete a customer, use the bin icon. You then will be asked to confirm your action to make sure you are not deleting an item by accident. Do so by clicking on Delete. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to add and manage customers. Keep in mind, since changes have been made, you must send them to your system by navigating to the general settings.